Hello Cambly learners, it's me, Cambly tutor Yuri. Today we'll be going over direct and reported speech. Direct speech is when we quote someone's exact words, while reported speech is when we report or say what someone said, but without using their exact words. It's an important concept in English. And today, we'll learn how to use direct and reported speech effectively. Are you ready? Let's dive in. So, what is direct speech? Direct speech is when we quote someone's exact words. We use quotation marks to enclose the spoken words. An example of direct speech. She said, "I love to read books." In this example, we are directly quoting someone's words. The exact words spoken are enclosed in quotation marks. I love to read books. Let's try another example. He shouted, "Stop!" Again, in this example, we are directly quoting someone's words. We are saying, or when writing, we are writing the exact words someone said, as might be done in a novel or a story. The exact words spoken are enclosed in quotation marks. Stop. Now, let's move on to reported speech. Reported speech is when we report or say what someone said, but without using their exact words. We usually need to make changes to the pronouns, verb tenses, and time expressions. An example of reported speech. She said that she loved to read books. In this example, we're reporting what someone said, but without using their exact words. We changed the pronoun I to she, and we adjusted the verb tense to loved. We also removed the quotation marks. Let's try another example. He shouted for them to stop. Again, in this example, we are reporting what someone said without using their exact words. We made changes to the pronoun I and changed them to he and removed the quotation marks. So let's practice using some more examples of direct and reported speech. Direct speech. I'm going to the party, she said. Reported speech. She said that she was going to the party. Direct speech. I will help you with your homework, he promised. Reported speech. He promised to help with your homework. Direct speech. We had a great time, they exclaimed. Reported speech. They exclaimed that they had a great time. Direct speech. I can't believe it, she whispered. Reported speech. She whispered that she couldn't believe it. Direct and reported speech are useful ways to convey what someone said in a conversation or a story. So practice using direct and reported speech in different contexts to become more comfortable with their usage. And there we have it. Direct and reported speech. I hope this is clearer now, what direct and reported speech are and how to use them. Once again, direct speech is used to quote someone's exact words, while reported speech is used to report what someone said, but without using their exact words. For those who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly, native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anywhere, anytime, right from your phone or your computer. So, schedule your next lesson with me or any of our amazing tutors using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.